War Day number 1043. 1043 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 8th, 2025. We have three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. One puzzle is already solved, the 3 stars. So 2 puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. By the way, in today's newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with the second regular puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku number 9862. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars has 24, this one has 25, 1 digit more. Should be a 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. We need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle. We need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the first column only place left on 5. Should be down. Then need 7 here. Need 4 here. Let me see. 6 1 but the 3 3 in this column, 3 in the column next or last column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there we see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so on that row the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 in the second row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1 1. Now I cannot continue with the 1. How about 6 4 5? Then 4 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 3. Need a 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in this box. 2 in this column, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 2. 3 and 8. 8 and 4. Need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 8, 4, 3, 8, 4, 3, 8, 8, 4, 3, 8, 4. Look, we have 3 and 8 in this row. No 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there, so 1 digit left. In the third column for number 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 4 should be there. 4, 4, I need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers in the last column, 1 of the missing numbers 4, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 in the last column. Should be there, so 2 numbers left now in the last column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes at there. 6 there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 7 and the 2, 7 and the 2. Need a 2 there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 5, and a 7, and a 5 here. 4 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 4, 9. Need an 8 here. 8, 4, 9. Need a 2 here. 2, 4. Well, in this big square we need a 2. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 7, 6. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left with 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left with 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this second row for the number, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 7 and 2, 7 and 2. Yeah, also 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3, 3. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 6 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. In this column we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 6. We have 4 and a 6 in this column, so no 4 and a 6 in these two boxes. 4 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5, 5. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this row, middle row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then need a 2 here. 7, 2, need a 1 here, and I need a 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Here we have the 4 and a 6, not up here, should be the 7 and a 2. Need a 1 here, okay. Then these are 3 missing numbers in this big square. Other numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. No. I need 3 there. 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 2 there. Need a 8. Need a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Though only 2 places left, but 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, no 1 in the row above, so that row. The only place left for the 1 should be here, so the other pair. So the other 2 numbers should be the 7 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 4 and 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there, so we have 2 numbers left, 4, 7, 8. So the other 2 should be the 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column 3. Middle column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 and a 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes and there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. So 2 numbers left in the 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. We solve it again, we solve it again. And I like this one, not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be at 0 stars. And faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Sorry, for the last puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.